Next, the cleaned wool is transported to the spinning department, the first step in creating the luxury jackets. Here at the cutting station, human precision is key. The collars and cuffs are now meticulously stitched into place.
From raw wool to the finest winter wear, our jackets are crafted for enduring warmth and style.
Okay, bring the first one through slowly. Watch your clearance on the right.
Easy, girls. Just keep moving down the ramp.
That was great.
That's it. Watch your step right there. This fleece looks healthy and ready.
Agreed, the quality is exceptional this season. We can move it to the next pen.
Welcome to the shearing hall. Our team begins by gently positioning the sheep on the platforms, ensuring their comfort and safety.
The journey begins here, as the raw fleece is loaded onto the conveyor belts, ready for the initial scouring process.
The process begins as the raw fibers are fed into these automated openers, where high-speed rollers gently loosen the dense clumps.
The raw fibers are fed into the dust extraction system, where powerful vacuums meticulously remove all impurities.
Quality control is crucial. Lower-grade wool is automatically identified and diverted to a secondary line for different applications. The raw fleece is loaded onto the conveyor, beginning the crucial scouring process in these massive industrial washers.
The first step is dewatering, where massive press rollers squeeze out excess moisture from the raw wool.
Next, the raw fiber is transported to the spinning department, ready to be processed into fine, durable threads.
Carding is the essential first step, where the raw fibers are untangled and aligned into a continuous web.
Here we see the carded wool emerging as smooth slivers, ready for the next stage of production.
From these massive spools, the raw wool is fed directly into the automated looms, beginning the transformation into high-quality textile.
Here in the spooling zone, the luxury wool yarn is meticulously wound, a critical step in crafting the perfect winter jacket.
We are clear on the heat set parameters.
Confirmed. The durability metrics are green across the board.
Thickness is consistent across the selvage.
Logging the data now. The texture looks perfect.
The raw wool yarn now enters the controlled steam chambers. This crucial conditioning process, once conditioned, the yarn undergoes a crucial cooling process where its elasticity is rigorously tested for quality refinement.
The manufacturing process begins as the luxurious wool is carefully spread across the cutting tables, ready for the jacket patterns.
Here at the cutting station, human precision is key. Our skilled artisans meticulously trim the edges of the luxury wool.
Once approved, the luxurious wool panels are carefully loaded onto these rolling racks, ready for the next crucial stage, the stitching department.
Here on the stitching line, our skilled team carefully lays out the jacket panels.
Here at the sewing station, the precision work begins. Every stitch must be perfect to ensure the jacket's durability.
Here we see the sleeves being attached. This reinforced stitching ensures the jacket's longevity. The collars and cuffs are now meticulously stitched into place.
The luxurious quilted satin lining is meticulously smoothed over the raw wool, a critical step for the jacket's interior.
Durability is key. That's why every stress point is meticulously reinforced with high-density stitching.
Here in the shaping room, pressurized steam relaxes the fibers, ensuring the jacket holds its luxury form for years to come. The raw wool jacket is placed into the steam press, where high-pressure steam and compression set the final.
Once assembled, the jackets are meticulously cleaned with compressed air to remove any remaining dust and lint, ensuring a flawless finish.
The final step is the surface brushing, which gives the wool its luxurious softness. Quality control involves meticulous inspection, ensuring every seam is secure and the hardware functions perfectly.
Every seam and stitch of the interior lining is checked under bright light, ensuring flawless craftsmanship.
Once inspected, each jacket is carefully placed into a protective garment cover to ensure pristine condition during transport. The final stage ensures the jacket arrives in pristine condition. Each luxury box is meticulously prepared by hand.
With the day's production complete, the factory winds down, ready to begin a new tomorrow.
Watch your spacing on the line. We need to maintain safety protocols. From raw wool to the finest winter wear, our jackets are crafted for enduring warmth and style.
Every seam is meticulously inspected, undergoing a rigorous strength test before the jacket can proceed.
The final step ensures the jackets are presented in premium, locally sourced packaging, reflecting the quality within.
Yeah, we're approaching the interchange now. Should be at the depot IO 800.
From the raw fiber to the finished garment, our commitment to quality is woven into every stitch.